Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how you can redeem your PlayStation Plus membership on the new PlayStation 5. The first thing we need to do is click on the PlayStation Store. Once in the PlayStation Store, we need to get to the three dots located on the top right corner of the screen. And the three dots will say More. We are going to click on that. And you have some options, payment methods, and the one we need to click on is redeem code. Here you will redeem your voucher code. If you purchased a card at your local retailer, the code will be located on the back of the card. If you purchased a digital PlayStation Plus card, then that code will be located in an email. Once you have found the code, you will type it in here. Once you have typed the code in, you will see this come up, and all you have to do is click redeem. And in this screen it says, now that you're in, you have instant access to PlayStation Plus games, exclusive discounts, online multiplayer, and so much more. And it will tell you when you need to renew. Once you have clicked redeem code, one way to double check to make sure that it's actually on your account, all you have to do is click on PlayStation Store. Click on the three dots located top right hand corner. Then you will click on subscriptions. Today we added the PlayStation Plus, and you will click on that. And here you will see the title, the next charge, the start date, and the next renewal date. It also gives you an option to turn off auto renew, and that's if you have a credit card on file. It will automatically renew if you do not have it turned off. And we are going to turn off auto renew. It's going to ask you, turn off PlayStation Plus auto renew. When your subscription ends, you'll lose access to PlayStation Plus benefits, including monthly games, online multiplayer, PlayStation Store discounts, and more. We are going to click yes. And it's going to ask you why you are going to turn off auto renew. And we're just going to click other. We're going to hit OK. Auto renew is now off. And in the same screen, you can also turn auto renew on. Now, if you don't have an actual PlayStation Plus card that you have purchased at a local retailer, or you don't have a digital one that you have purchased online, you can actually purchase one on your PlayStation 5 console. All you have to do is scroll to the right until you get to PlayStation Plus. Here on PlayStation Plus, you will scroll down. And here you have three different plans. You have a 12-month plan for $44.99. You have a 3-month plan for $24.99. And a 1-month for $9.99. So if you are on a budget, you can always choose a 1-month, 3-month, and it will be a little bit cheaper than $44.99. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps us grow this channel. Also, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.